Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to complete the Pillar of Community task by using a Steam emoticon in chat. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen where you'll see your username displayed. Click on your username to reveal a drop-down menu, and from there select View My Profile. This will take you to your main profile page where you can access various features and track your progress. On your profile page, look to the right panel where you'll find several options. Click on Badges to view all your available badges and the tasks associated with them. This section shows your progress across different community achievements and gives you a clear overview of what you've completed and what still needs attention. Now navigate to the Pillar of Community badge. Right beside it, you'll notice a blue hyperlink displaying the number of tasks you've completed. Click on this link to open up the full list of tasks for this specific badge. This is where you can see exactly what requirements you need to fulfill. Look for the task labeled Use a Steam emoticon in chat. This is the one we're going to complete right now. To do this, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the screen and hover your mouse over your username. A menu will appear with several options. From this menu, select Friends to access your friends list. You'll now see a list of your Steam friends. Click on the name of any friend you want to send an emoticon to. This will open their profile page. In the upper right corner of their profile, click Message to open the chat window with that friend. With the chat window now open, click the Emoticon Picker button. This will open up your emoticon options. Next, click the Emoticons button to view all the available emoticons you can use. Select any emoticon that appears, and once you've made your choice, click Send to deliver it in the chat. This action completes the requirement for using a Steam emoticon in chat. Now let's verify that the task has been completed. In the upper right corner, click your username again and select View My Profile. In the right panel, click Badges once more. Navigate back to the Pillar of Community badge, and right beside it, click the blue hyperlink showing the number of completed tasks. Look for the Use a Steam emoticon in chat task and you'll see it has turned blue, indicating it's now completed. And that's it, you've successfully completed the Pillar of Community task by using a Steam emoticon in chat. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.